This part of Abeokuta, Ogun State, is a heaven of beauty. Dangerous, right?
And the conservation says less concern.
Recently, I was surfing the web. Then I saw pictures of a beautiful place called Abeokuta in Jamaica. These pictures instantly sparked my interest. I was blown away by what I saw. I picked up my camera and some other equipment, and I decided to embark on a journey to Abeokuta in Ogun State. Welcome to Olusegun Obasanjo Presidential Library. OOPL is a remarkable institution that stands on a vast 32 hectares of land. And as I walk through the main gate, the significance of this place becomes visible. This is one of the major places in Nigeria where you feel the weight of history, and I don't think any video can justify the true meaning of this place. But let me show you some of the things I was allowed to film. I started my tour by hopping on this charming boogie chart that took me around the expensive 32 hectares of land on which OOPL stands. It was a delightful ride. There.
Yes, yeah.
Okay. OOPL has a church, a mosque, primary and secondary school, amusement park, wildlife, conference center with 1,000 capacity, and many more.
We also have the bamboo.
Okay.
Under the place.
Oh.
Also relaxation spot as well. Sell palm wine, grilled fish.
Over there, right?
Yeah. We also have the OOPL wildlife. That's the zoo.
Okay.
Yes, we have different animals.
And this rock?
Yeah, it's not the rock of restoration.
Oh.
It's also mainly Olusegun, because when you are standing on it, you can see most places.
Oh.
In Abeokuta.
It's called Mini Oluma Rock.
Yes, call it the Mini Oluma. And we have our books and souvenir shop. There you can get books and souvenirs.
Okay.
Yes. And especially books that are written by Olusegun
Obasanjo.
and other authors.
Oh, okay. But finally, our destination was none other than the renewed OOPL Museum, and that's exactly where I'll be taking you now as we begin this video exploration.
We make it fair so that you'll be able to walk on it. So those armor tank you see there work on this to connect with the Biafrans. So this dam you see here is natural and artificial. It is natural in the sense that the source of water comes from a neighboring place, but it's artificial because it is trench 24 feet to serve as boat ride and for fish rearing.
This is the OOPL Museum, and this museum has over 15 million documents, 2 million books, and 4,000 artifacts related to Nigeria's former president, Olusegun Obasanjo. This is the only place you can learn about the fascinating life of President Olusegun Obasanjo through an extensive collection of photographs, documents, and interactive display. Visitors gain a deeper understanding of his influential political career and events that shaped Nigeria's history. There is a world of discovery that awaits you inside the OOPL Museum. But my tour does not stop at the museum. I also visit the remarkable wildlife at OOPL.
Yes, I'll be your tour guide for today. We have rules guiding this park. Number one, you don't harass the animal, you don't poke the animal, you don't tease the animal, you don't rest on the railings. No running in the park, no eating in the park. That's all. And you don't get to throw objects into the enclosure or at the animals. If you do that, you'll be asked to pay a fine of 50,000 naira, or you'll be asked to retrieve it if you can't pay. Okay. Yes, now they like you.
Really? They like you too?
No, not me, you. They are tired of seeing my face.
Oh, okay.
Yes, they like you. So these are spotted hyenas. They're spotted hyenas, and then they they can crush anything. Yoruba said call them ikoko ajegunjere. And then that ikoko ajegunjere. So we also feed them with fresh meat, that cow meat. So that is red meat fresh. So prepare it here and give it to them. They crush anything, even bones. They will not leave anything out. Unlike the lion will eat the soft part and leave the rest. But those ones, anything, even if you give them chicken, fowl, both the feather, everything they consume. Yes.
That's Aremu.
That's Aremu. Obasanjo adopted the lion October 17, 2017.
The male lion?
Yes, the male lion. I named after him. That's why it's called Aremu.
Hi, Aremu.
And that's the Olori beside him. Yes.
What is it?
Don't insult someone, it was elephant blue.
Yes. Oh.
That's elephant blue. Friendly and social. But this one is very aggressive.
So why is it called elephant blue?
And look at the ekpon now, it's blue now. It's not blue. At Olumo, you've been to Olumo?
Yeah. Where you discover the world of wildlife wonders, from the vibrant rainforest to the vast savannas. There are incredible animals to explore. You will encounter indigenous species, learn about conservational efforts, and appreciate the natural beauty of Nigeria's wildlife. It is an exciting opportunity to get closer to nature and understand the importance of protecting the animals. How are you? How are you? I know you want something. And And that concludes our tour at the Olusegun Obasanjo Presidential Library, an extraordinary place where history, wildlife, and knowledge converge. Plan the visit and experience the magic for yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more engaging content. Until next time, keep exploring and embracing the beauty of Nigeria's past and present.